In this video today, guys, I want to show you this brand new platform that we can go and use to make a lot of money online. Now, what I really like about this website, hardly anybody, I don't think anybody at all is using this website or knows how to use this website to make money online. It's very new, and what's great about this, we can actually go and promote all sorts of links on this website. So I'm going to show you my one post that got 11 views in just the first 2 minutes of posting this. That is good traffic. Because this website is very new, that is fantastic organic traffic, and that can lead to a lot of sales or commissions or whatever kind of platform you want to monetize. And this can be done in any niche and multiple niches at the same time, so you can set up multiple streams of income in various different niches such as health, fitness, wealth, well-being, all sorts of niches that you can use to make money online. I'm also going to show you how you can go and promote multiple sites at the same time, such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, all of those affiliate marketplaces, and make commissions from multiple offers at the same time. This is really going to be a value pack video. You don't want to miss this one. We're going to get straight into this website in a bit, but quickly before we get into that, I'm doing another awesome giveaway. So this is the third course in a row now that I'm giving away. So in the last two videos, I gave away two courses from the same person who made this course. So this is his last course from this giveaway, so you don't want to miss this one. So this course over here is all about Facebook group funnels, initial members, making money with Facebook Lives, commenting ladders, FB Live promo, case studies, very valuable information that you can actually use with a strategy. So if you want to get this course, you got to make sure to watch this video until the end, understand this strategy that I'm going to teach you in this video, because you can go and use this with this course. Then at the end of this video, I'll go give you this course, so make sure to keep watching for that. And right over here, guys, on my main channel, I'm posting daily videos on how you can make money online. So if you want to become an online entrepreneur, if you're very serious about making money online and really want to get results and succeed, definitely go down below and subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value pack video just like this one. And I'm giving a video or a course or some kind of money giveaway in every single video. So you definitely don't want to miss that. So make sure to subscribe down below with that bell on so that you can also get those giveaways. So guys, this is the website that I'm talking about right here, but make sure to keep watching. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit. I will now. This website is basically what you call the world's town square. So you can basically speak freely, express yourself openly without fear of being deplatformed for your views. You can engage with real people, not bots. This is a brand new social media platform that is really starting to take off, and Parler is people and privacy focused, so it gives you the tools needed to curate your Parler experience. So you can use this for commerce, for selling products or promoting any kind of offer you have, or you can just use this as a personal social media platform. And just to show you that this website is not some Mickey Mouse website that's getting no traffic at all, I did a quick background check on this website, and take a look at this. It's absolutely crazy the kind of traffic this website is getting. So take a look at this. This website is currently ranked 1.6 thousandth in the world, which is an amazing ranking considering how many millions of websites there are on the internet today. To even be in the top 2,000, your website's doing pretty well. Currently the 490th biggest website in the States and the 57th biggest website in its category. So this website over here is getting about 29.74 million views every single month. And like I'm going to show you just in a bit, one of my posts got like 11 views in just the first 2 minutes, and it's still growing, getting clicks and getting me commissions. And also, what I really like about this website is where the traffic is coming from. Mostly the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, all first world top tier countries where the CPA, and it's a very high quality audience that usually has money. So your kind of offers that you have convert and make you big commissions online. And Parler is much like that of TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, or Facebook. But instead of when posting a video on Facebook or Instagram, it takes a while to get views, Parler is still so new and getting viral that it literally gets you traffic instantly. So I actually want to show you a post that I made over here. Take a look at this. I'm going to show you now how to log in and how we're going to go about this. So this is just the video I used for one of my videos. In just the first 2 minutes, I hit 11 views, and that is still growing more. So tomorrow, I'm hoping maybe it'll get to about 100 views on my first post, and that will be some good clicks on this video. But what we need to go and do is, the first step is, you need to come over to this website over here called Parler.com. And you want to come over here to create a new account. I'm assuming you don't have an account already. So click on create new account. You just need to click on agree over here, enter your email, your phone number, your password, and confirm your password, and boom. Once you've signed in your account, you can go log in over here. And there we go, guys. You can see I'm now logged in with my account, and now 20 minutes later I've already hit 32 views. So you can see this is just one post, and all I did was making use of good hashtags, and I'm going to show you exactly how we can get an offer going viral like this and making over $500 a day in affiliate commissions. And the best thing about this, guys, is you can go and get this app and do this on your mobile phone. So you can literally be walking through the mall, quickly open up the app, post a quick post like I'm going to teach you in this video to make affiliate commissions. And while you're doing your thing throughout the day, whether you doing a side hustle, working your 9-to-5 job, or working on another online business, you can go and do this as a side hustle and make some easy free money on the side. And then eventually you can grow this into your main hustle. And just to quickly show you how the posting process works. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the what's new section over here. We can type in something, for example, like how I made $640 today, since my whole niche is make money online and affiliate marketing. And I'm just going to paste a link to, for example, one of my YouTube videos, and we want to go and use hashtags. So this is just a quick example to show you how the posting works. So what we actually want to go and do is I'm going to show you right now. And boom, just like this has been posted. Just to refresh, let's see if this got any views like in the first couple of seconds. I doubt so that it would update. Okay, it hasn't updated yet, but you can see this one over here actually hit now 49 views in 23 minutes. So this one's going up quite nicely, getting a lot of organic traffic off this website. But this is where the crucial part comes in. So make sure to keep watching, because this is how we're going to make boatloads of money off this website completely for free. So what you want to go and do is you actually want to go and open up your profile over here. Over here, you'll see there is a settings icon over here, and you want to go and describe yourself. This is the important part, because this is the section that people are going to see when they click on your profile. So we can go, for example, and type entrepreneur helping others to make money online. And then from here, we want to come over to this website over here called Linktree, which is a landing page or bridge page where we can go and create like this little simple landing page where we can have multiple links to various different affiliate offers or YouTube videos or whatever it is that you want to promote through parler.com. So over here is where the magic happens, and this is how we make money. So this website, parler.com, might not approve any kind of links that may seem spammy or anything like that. That's where Linktree is going to save us, is we can just put those links and affiliate links onto this platform and use it as a bridge page. So what we need to go and do is we need to come over to an affiliate marketplace like clickbank.com or Digistore24, where we can sign up and become an affiliate for various different products. So since our niche is make money online, you don't only have to use this niche, you can use any niche you want. So you want to come over to e-business and e-marketing over here, as that's obviously online entrepreneurship. So over here, you can see a whole bunch of different courses and ways to make money online. It's just getting paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We're going to get $24.33 every sale that we make with this product. So what we can go do is we can go click on promote over here. Let's go click on generate hop links. Let's go copy this link. Let's come back to Linktree over here. We want to click on add new link, and we can type something, for example, okay, let's just paste our URL in the meantime. And we can actually go and copy this as our use a name for this link. So we can go, just type it, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And now we want to go add a second link. So over here, you can see this page is now going to update. It adds like this nice button where people can click on this, and they will then land on this website's landing page. Every time they buy this course or someone buys this course, you're going to get $24.33 commission. So a good product that I also like to use is this 12-minute affiliate system where we earn $186.65 every sale. So let's click on promote over here again. Let's click on generate hop links. Let's come back to Linktree. We paste URL, and let's go, for example, just copy this name over here, the 12-minute affiliate system. We can go and enter this as our title over there, and just our link again didn't copy. So let's go copy that link again. Copy this link. We come back here. Let's just paste this over here. This URL needs to be shortened to, there we go, the 12-minute affiliate system hot offer. We can add one more if you like to. And what we can do is we can come back to ClickBank over here. Type in the search term Cristani. Click on search. Over here, you can see is a high ticket course where you'll get $643.83 per sale. Now, what I like about this specific course or super affiliate system that John Cristani is offering, he gives you a free training and webinar that you can use as a hook. So we can, for example, let's just get our affiliate link in the meantime. Click on generate hop links. Let's copy our affiliate link. Let's come back to Linktree. We're going to paste our URL. For the title, we can go type, for example, let's just go use this username. We can go super affiliate system, $1,000 per day free training. that I think looks good. Then what we can do is we can now save this page. It automatically saves. So take a look at this. When I open up my Linktree link, it's going to open up my page, my landing page like this with 3 different affiliate links. That means I can make 3 commissions or 3 times commissions on each of these sales, because this pays me commission, this pays me commission, and this pays me commission as well. You can add as many links as you want and make commission off as many links as you want. So then all we're going to do is we're going to copy this Linktree link over here. We're going to come back to our Parler dashboard over here, and you want to paste this Linktree link. So now when people see your bio, they have this clickable link here to all your products that you are offering. Now we can click on save. And that's it. Once your profile is set and you got a couple of posts going, you're welcome to use my own videos just to grow your own page if you want to, or anything online, as long as you give credit. If it's not your own content, you want to provide value. And what we can go and do is now, we want to go and use hashtags in our niche. So since I'm in the Make Money Online niche, I'm going to use the Make Money Online hashtag. You want to go and search for other people that are posting in the Make Money Online niche. So for example, this guy over here, 240 views in the first 26 minutes. That is crazy growth. Here's some of my posts over here. This guy over here has got 496 views in the first hour. All we're going to do is we're going to click on his account. What we want to do is we want to go and click on his followers, and we want to go and follow all the people that we are following. And you also want your username to be something related to a niche. So for example, since I'm in the Make Money Online niche, my username is Millionaire Mindset. So people know, okay, it's obviously about mindset, making money online, millionaire. So the thing is, since these people are following this affiliate page, and when you follow them and they get the notification and they see your username, they're obviously going to click on your profile, and the first thing they see is the bio with your link in it. That's to this Linktree page over here, where they can see all the various different products that you are promoting. And all you do is you're going to do this with all these pages in these different hashtags. Let's go, for example, work from home. Let's look for another page over here. For example, ProMize01, same thing over here, 43 followers. Go and follow all of these followers. Obviously, these followers are interested in making money online and super affiliate marketing. So you want to get this kind of audience because it's a high converting audience, simply because they are interested in the type of service or content that you are promoting or pushing out on your Parler page. And just as another awesome trick to make really long-term money online and to make even double your money with this, you can use a tool like Kartra to build simple little landing pages just like this, where you can give away something for free, such as a free course, through parler.com over here. When you're posting, you just promote the link to this landing page, and if you enter, as soon as they enter their first name and email address, you can send them some giveaway. But the whole idea behind this is to collect emails and build an email list and run a whole email marketing sequence or campaign to promote different affiliate products or different offers that you're promoting. So now you can make money through parler.com and your email list at the same time. You could get to a stage where you are getting views just like these other guys on this page over here, such as this one guy who got 200 views in the first hour. I mean, that's a couple of email signups, surely. I mean, this guy got 1.6k views in the first 6 hours. Look at all the hashtags he's used over here. So all it is, we just copy that, for example, and you can go and use the hashtags and post. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come back to the home page over here. I'm just going to paste all these hashtags first. I'm going to scroll to the top, and I'm going to post another post like this. And you just want to keep posting. You can use my own videos, just use random videos on YouTube, grow a page, obviously in a specific niche, and then in your bio, you want that link to your Linktree link, or you can promote the link in each and every post if you want to as well, to get even more clicks and sales through your affiliate links on that Linktree page. All at the same time, you can go and create a little page like this on Kartra. Kartra looks like this. They've got over here, let me show you, Kartra Mail, membership areas, done for you funnels and campaigns, leads, which is what we're talking about here, Kartra pages, checkouts, and I'm actually an affiliate for Kartra. So if you'd like to, Kartra is a paid tool. There is a free trial for it, but I'm giving away over $5,000 worth of bonuses and done for you sales funnels and pages and email campaigns through my affiliate link. So you don't even need to buy Kartra. All you need to do is use my affiliate link, first link in the description. You can sign up to Kartra with just the trial, and I will send over to you all these bonuses via email, and you can keep them forever. You don't even need to buy Kartra. If you do ever buy it and ever decide to cancel, you can still keep those bonuses. So I'm not forcing you to sign up or buy the tool. It's just as long as you sign up for free through my affiliate link, you can go and get those freebies and bonuses through my affiliate link down below. And I'm doing that just to give you a boost and hopefully some motivation to help you get started with making money online with something like this. Obviously, collecting emails is not a must with this. It's not required, but it's a great way to build an email list and to make even more money online with that. And this strategy is super easy, guys. As I just showed you, views are packing up and piling in, and it's a great way to get a lot of clicks on any kind of links or platforms that you're promoting. But remember this tribe training videos that I spoke about in the beginning of this video, the free course that I'm giving away. So if you guys want this course, as promised, all I would appreciate is leave a like on this video. That is a must, and subscribe down below with the bell on. I can see who's subscribed down below with the channel. I have a tool called vidIQ, so it shows me who's subscribed and who's not subscribed. And also then leave a comment down below that you're ready, or something positive that you're going to smash it with this method and that you're going to give it a go. And then I'll reply to that comment with the link to this page. It's not a upsell to some many $2,000 course or anything like that. It's straight to this page over here. You don't even need to enter your email or sign up. It's straight to this course where you can go and watch this and learn a lot of value and make money with this as well. Also, what I'm going to do is on the screen above, I'm going to leave probably my best playlist on my channel so far called ClickBank Money 2020, which is all about affiliate marketing, making $300 to $400 per day. This is information I've learned on tons of paid courses that I've now put on my channel for free, because the stuff I'm teaching in these videos is working for me, and I'm really hoping with the free content on YouTube it can work for you as well, and you can make your first money online. But without further ado, go click on this playlist above and I'll see you there.